Introducing the Flux, our power-assisted cargo bike, available in a variety of colors to suit popular aesthetics, that is both stylish and efficient. The body is precisely built with 6061 aluminum alloy known for its strength and durability. The recommended height for riders is about 4 feet 11 to 6 feet 2. The bike has a very wide step-through area, so it is really easy to get on and off if you have trouble with balance. LT is accessible for riders of all different heights. The best thing we love about Flux is that it comes with everything. Front rack, running boards, and nice bamboo panels covering the rear rack and running boards. The front rack provides additional storage space to distribute the weight more evenly across the front and rear of the bike. This front rack comes with the bike with no extra cost. We also provide upgrade options if you want a bigger or deeper front baskets. Adjustable handlebars offer riders the flexibility to find their perfect hand position, reducing strain on the wrists, shoulders, and neck. As a cargo bike, the entire bike can carry up to 440 pounds. The maximum payload on rear rack is 180 pounds. Flux is designed to carry both passengers and cargo in the back. We have rear wheel guards on both sides and passenger footrests to prioritize the safety and security of your passengers. We provide passenger kit to enhance customer experience when you carry passengers in the back. Choose passenger handlebars, backrests, seat pads, or caboose and combine them freely as you wish. The long tail feature also gives us possibility to mount more than one third-party baby seats on the rear rack, for example fully yep. Talking about riding experience, it comes with a wide seat cushion that provides twice the amount of comfortable resting space for your sit bones. Flux comes standard with a 48-volt, 15-amp, or removable battery to ensure optimal performance and reliability. The battery cells are from Samsung, and they are complied with UL standard to ensure compliance with stringent safety standards. The battery enables the e-bike to travel up to 50 miles. Flux is compatible with dual batteries. The second battery is provided as an upgrade option. Here under the seat, you'll see a waterproof storage bag. Flux includes a waterproof storage bag, utilizing the second battery space. After you purchase a second battery, you can remove this storage bag and replace it with the second battery. Plug and play. Our intelligent BMS eliminates the need for separate balancers. Charge both batteries simultaneously with a single charger. The bike operates seamlessly with either battery. When the second battery is mounted, it automatically balances voltage for optimal performance. The 750-watt powerful motor can reach a peak output of 1200 West and torque of 85 Nm, which is perfect for boosting up steep hills and holding speed with heavy cargo loads up to 440 pounds. The high-powered LEDs on the front of the bike deliver up to 550 lumens so you can ride safely in the dark. Flux also features integrated tail light, with tail light, brake, and turn signal functions. All functions controllable via handlebar keypad on display screen. Flux offers Class 2 and Class 3 modes, each with 5 PS levels. Click I button to switch between the two modes. Throttle unlocking available in Class 3 mode. Contact for details. Flux is equipped with anti-puncture tires with reflective strip for enhanced safety. The tire size is 20-inch by 2.4-inch width. Low rolling resistance energy-saving tires with reduced noise and longer range, suitable for urban cycling. In addition, to ensure optimal riding performance, Flux is equipped with a 7-speed Shimano transmission system and a 52-tooth crankset. Hydraulic brakes deliver ample braking force, ensuring safety. Whether you're a daily commuter navigating city streets, a parent ferrying children to school and activities, with its robust build and versatile design, this bike offers unparalleled performance and reliability. Don't hesitate and unlock limitless possibilities with your new cargo-assisted bike today.